So what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a Minnesota Timberwolves rebuild here in NBA 2K20. So yeah, the Timberwolves are in a very interesting spot. I mean, they're good in some ways and they're not in some ways. I mean, I think that I just want to get D'Angelo Russell and Karl Anthony Towns some more help. So yeah, I think I know who I want to draft, and that's going to be Obi Toppin. Not going to be an Obi Toppin rebuild. I just want to see if I can get him here. So let's check out the lottery. Philly won it all. And we got the 4th overall pick. We could definitely get him now. On this draft class, not sure how good he is. So if he's like a 75, I might boost his attributes to make him, his tendencies to make him like an 80. Or not tendencies, attributes. Can we get Popovich? I'm just wondering. See, his interest meter is high, but he's going to end up like not signing. So if not, we're going to go after Mike Stauffer. Ed Pinckney, we're going to fire. Is Lucas here? Oh, he really wants to be a head coach. Dang it, Lucas. Come on, sign Lucas. Alright, so I did not notice if Pop declined. We got Stauffer, so probably. Yeah, I do get Chuck Peterson quite a bit. Well, Otis Newman. Oh, I missed out on Randy Martin. That's fun. Taylor Stewart, yeah, there's on top potential. She has 2 or 3 on top potentials. Now, we're definitely gonna, if there's some, we're gonna see who's here on this pick. If there was someone better, we could always take that player. If Obi went, I might just trade up and get him, just because I want a power forward. 20 trade offers. Usually I don't get trade offers or picks. Do I bring Zach LaVine back to Minnesota? No, I'm not gonna do anything. These are the mock drafts. They have us taking Nico Mannion. So on this draft class, he's probably really high. So Theo Maladon, LaMelo Ball, Cole Anthony. LaMelo Ball would have been cool to get to. Obi Toppin. Oh, James Wiseman was available. I couldn't put him at the 4. He's not that good in this draft class. You have to boost his attributes. But I'm seeing that Denny Avdija falls to like pick 18. Dude, come on. I don't know whose pick that was that we had, but yeah, 12 trade offers. Can I get a feature first? Getting some offers from the picks because there's someone good. Oh, Armando Bacot or Killian Tilly. You know, we're gonna go after Armando Bacot. He'll start a year in the G League. I don't think DLO. He might come in here and literally start. We're gonna sign Bacot. He's probably gonna play power forward. Dia Toppin, I'm gonna make about an 80 overall. I think, or like 78. Not sure. I might. I'm trying to look though, because Johnson accepts. What if I go after like AD or like Drummond? I could send. I don't think Drummond's gonna resign anyway, so I'm gonna. And Davis usually does. I think I might send. He's a player option. I'm gonna send him. I want to see if I can trade him to the Lakers. Spellman, Okogie, Evans, we'll bring back. We gotta hope that he chooses us though. We have to hope that he chooses us. Davis, if this goes through. If I get a swap or a Pelicans pick for James Johnson, wow, they agreed to that. They just took on like $15 million. Alright. Is there any other bad contracts they would want? Oh wait, no, I got new picks. Like a 2nd round pick for someone like some money. Any money I have to give them, I'll do. Jake Layman's money, they agreed to that. Anyone else here? Alright, we're gonna put Spellman at power forward. I think that's a good move. We're gonna bring back Hernan Gomez. And Beasley for sure. Killian Martin, no. McLaughlin, sure, he'll be a trade piece. Now, let's see. AD. Oh, wait, we're tapped out, though. Why did I think we could sign this man? Yeah, he's going to decline it. How much offer? A lot. Who's eating up money besides Towns and D'Lo? Culver, I'm giving a year to. Evans could go to the 3 and I trade him. Naz Reid from Bacot. Bacot's going to be in the G League. I know that. I'm positive, or almost positive. So Evans and Vanderbilt, if they can give me something. Vanderbilt and Evans. Okay. 2 first-round picks I might do. Sacramento will do. I don't know who the other 2 is, but we'll definitely do that. Is there anyone else we can offer a deal to? Hassan Whiteside, we can trade him. Ingram gets matched just about every time. I max him out. No, I don't. I really want down there. I kind of want to be decent next year. like a 2-year deal, and then I'll also try and get, oh, I can still, this is so funny, dang it. Alright, we get Ingram, but if it might get matched. So we're going to renounce the rights, not to McLaughlin, not Hernan Gomez. Oh, yeah, we're not going to have that money for Ingram. He would have got matched anyway. We need Malik Beasley and Hernan Gomez. Terrence Davis is here. Malik Beasley. If I can get Beasley and Gallinari, I'll do it. Alright, he's going to get a deal. We're going to match it. Alright. Oh, he goes to Miami. That's such a realistic signing, guys. I see that happening like 9 out of 10 times. We can afford like a Cousins, right? And then, wait, Hernan Gomez is restricted. Oh no, I renounced the rights to him. I kind of wanted to give him a year and see how he would do. So, you know, we're going to actually try and get him back. We can still afford like a McGee. I mean, we'll do it. I want to get picks in return, to be honest, guys. Alright. Cousins is 84 at the power forward, and so is McGee. I want to see where Hernan Gomez is not going to get signed just yet. I guess we give a year to Spellman, Mitchell Robinson, Julius Randle, Sabonis, and Oladipo is a really nice secret. But I kind of want to acquire picks for these two if needed. I might look for like a, I don't know. I might look at like small forwards that I could try and get, but small / power forward. I mean, it's a very interesting part here. Like Jason Tatum is just not going to happen. I already know it. I'll try it, but I already know it's kind of not going to happen if I give you every pick. Yeah, I'm probably not going to do it. JC, John Collins, is going to have to get a lot of money. I could get like a, is there any shooting guards I would be interested in? Paul George, Bradley Beal, Clay, Devin Booker. I would pick up Levine and pack him to Shea Gilgeous Alexander. Like a Victor Oladipo, we have to pay him next year. I want someone who's under contract. Always get Buddy Hield. DiVincenzo climbing the tiers. Oh wait. Donovan Mitchell's not going to be under contract. Levine will be, which is why I want to attempt to get him. They're not getting enough back. Cousins has some good trade value. I'll give you a 2023 first round pick, and they excessive amount of power forwards. Is there anyone you guys want to get off? Is that Lonzo? Oh, they're definitely Melo. Any power forwards you want to get off the contract of that young, and I'll give you back Noel, and then I'll also throw you a second from Philly. And now you're weak at shooter. Really? I'll give you one more first from Calvin. I'll give you a lottery protected kid. Really? I kind of expected that to do. You guys think they would take JaVale McGee? No, I'm not giving them all that. That's too much. I'll give you the Lakers swap. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Sorry for the noise. Like, really? That was a lot. Alright, we'll renounce the rights on McLaughlin. But, yeah. Thaddeus Young, season power forward. Oh, he's getting moved though. Livingston, 70, we'll trade him, and Thaddeus Young. I don't want Thaddeus Young. He's back in Minnesota, I think. Nas Reed might be in the G League. I think we're gonna throw G League Culver. I'm gonna G League Nas Reed and Baycott. But we'll trade Livingston and Thaddeus Young. First, Torian Prince, that'll be what it comes down to. I'm thinking here, guys. Gary Trent. We'll pick up Gary Trent. Give up a first, no, a second. No. Trevor Ariza. You know, guys, I'm going to trade Ariza for like a second. I'll see you guys at the start of the season. So, we made a trade. Those auto signings. We made a trade here where we signed Alec Burks because we tried signing his Cantor. Oh, no, we signed Rondé Hollis-Jefferson after being unsuccessful at signing Cantor and Burks. But we made that trade to get the distance first for next year. That's going to be pretty good. I did not mean to trade for Ariza. So our rotation's pretty big. Zach LaVine is back here in the Timberwolves jersey. Different ones were the ones they wore at the time when he was there. But I think this is the lineup. I'm starting 5. I'm cool with. And then Spellman will play like 14. I don't want to play too much. Oh, I meant to trade Hollis-Jefferson. Because look at how many guys we have. But watch this, guys. 76 overall Marshall Gortat here. Alright. Look at guys. Culver's the last guy in the rotation. Like, least highest overall. Like, that's crazy. Hollis-Jefferson and Gortat hopefully can maybe land me a bit something, a pick. I'm looking for like that trade from Atlanta. Don't really have a problem with it. Oh, Rocco, and then I can trade Rocco. I'll probably do this trade because then I get better offer, better value for Rocco. William Howard. Or how much does he make? He's on a 1-2-year deal. He's 85 on the 3. He's back in Minnesota, although I don't really want him. He's not that good in 2K. Or at least what I see. Is that Brandon Clark? Oh, Brian Hanson. I would have picked up Brandon Clark, definitely. Mitchell Robinson, Isaac. I mean, I just really want to pick here. Thank you, Phoenix. Yeah. Is that their 2021 first? Oh my gosh, it's lottery protected. Frank Kaminsky, we don't need you. No way. We just landed that. Cameron Johnson. Yeah, I'll pick up Cam Johnson. I'll put him at the 3. I like him a little better there. Now, I think we're alright right now if I change this up a little bit. If you want Okogie starting and Spellman. Now, look who's not playing. Culver will be getting minutes. KAT will be in the G League. So I think that's it. I think we're going to put KAT in the G League. And do I send anyone else? Trent is on a 1-year deal. So I think we're going to run it now. We're going to do about 16 to Josh Okogie. We're going to give Culver 19 swap minutes. Oh, wait, no. No, 90 minutes. No, oh, I swapped him with Kadeem Allen. Rebuild the rotation. 2K, I'm begging you. Alright, first we're going to give Obi Toppin. Probably like 32. Towns can get 32. Russell can get 31. Levine 29. Okogie not going to play 25, like 16. And we're going to give Culver 20 and swap that. Cam Johnson will be the last guy. We'll also have a really big rotation. Dia can get 18. Spellman is going to get 15 to Trent. We'll do Spellman right here getting 10. And then we're going to have Okogie come in and then Johnson at 12. I think that looks pretty good. And then we have Beasley getting 21. VR6 man. We'll have Dia VR6 man getting 24. And Beasley will get 20. Trent 15. Spellman 10. Okogie 15. Johnson is getting that much. How many, we're 6th on NBA.com. Alright. You know, I think we're looking good. I like our team a lot. I'll see you guys at the end of the season. Alrighty, guys. So, I'm surprised we only go 43 and 39. We got Giannis, Cole Anthony, Schroeder, Kawhi, Durant. That's what a stat line. Brett Brown. We should have been more like a team like that. We are a 5 seed, though. We're playing Luka. I mean, look at our team. Our team's really good. How did Jared come here? We'll check the stats over here. So, Karl Anthony Towns, just a beast, along with Zach LaVine played really well. Wow. Good season, Obi. Good season. Karl Anthony Towns. League leader in points, I think. December 4th, it says, versus Curry. His stats were really good. almost 50% from the field. That's pretty good. 40 from 3 is a lot. It's really nice. A lot to ask for from a center, and I think he did really good. That's 3-point shooting center in the league, I say. Or Embiid, 81 or 81. Levine was really good. D'Angelo Russell again. Obi Toppin. Malik Beasley was fine off the bench. Gary Trent as well. Okogie, Danny Avdia. Culver will be traded, I think. He's not doing good. Cam Johnson. Spellman was just fine. Baycott. Agro. Morales hurt, but he's going to be a solid rotational piece next year. So we're going to simulate this round versus Dallas. I don't expect to win. Playing Luka. Wow, we took a game. We took 2 games. Maybe we will be solid in the playoffs. No. Come on, Minnesota. We're going to lose, right? Yep, of course. I knew it. We blow a 3-2 lead. Come on. It's like Denver. I thought they were going to win the series last year against Portland. They blew the 3-2 lead. Like, 3-1 leads instead of 3-2 leads, I hate. Like, I so feel for the team because, like, oh, we had it right there. Celtics and Mavs in the finals. Mavs go by the Kings and Pelicans. Celtics win it all. Tatum's MVP. We got to get to this offseason and see what these trades. All right, this Detroit Piston pick. They weren't a playoff team. All right, we have the second highest odds, so I think we're gonna drop to 4 or 5 or 6. Usually, if you're 1, you drop to 5, right? Yep, the Bulls dropped to 5. All right, we dropped to 6. And then we have the 15th pick from the Kings. I'm happy we held on to it. And our own pick will be at 20. That's not bad. I could always trade up. I don't think I need to. Staff is all good. We're going to just simulate right here to the NBA draft and hope we get lucky. Hope someone good falls to us at 6. Evan Mobley, though. Let's see what these mock drafts are. Mobley will go 2nd. Jalen Johnson. Jalen Green. If he's picked, I'm not going to be happy. What? Why are we over? Huh? Why am I all the way down here? I have the 6th pick. Oh. Was it like top or 3 protected? Was it top the Pistons pick? I have no idea, dude. That would have been nice to keep that pick. I have no idea what happened. We'll go with Scotty Barnes, but that's 6. I don't want to give up any assets to trade for whoever was pick 6. So. Pick up Zach Bell. Trade him. We're just going to simulate to the end. Where is this from? Morgan State. That's like Golden State. We'll sign Scott Cartwright. They'll all be traded. We're going to give Spellman and Okogie Baycott, except all the offers have been Culver, Johnson. Alright, qualifying, Trent will get it. Allen and Howard, not so much. I would like to trade the guy we just picked, Scott Cartwright, and I'll put Zach Bell at the 4 and trade him. I might hold on to Barnes. Oh, Cartwright is a 75 pound forward. Bell's a 76. I don't see a spot in the rotation, unfortunately, so we're going to see what we can get from Cartwright and Bell. Not Jordan Bell, PJ Washington. That's not bad at all. I'm going to do that PJ deal, I think, guys. Yeah, I'm going to do that trade. PJ Washington and Cody Martin now. We have no money. Beasley and Trent need to come back. Those are the 2 guys we need to bring back. Is that it? Fernando's a free agent. We don't sound like a Bruno Fernando. He agrees. Covington, trade exception. Match. I don't think we're going to sign for him. He's not asking for a lot of money unless he gets matched. The Hawks should match him unless he's unrestricted. Do they not give him a qualifying? I don't know. We don't need him. We're going to trade him, I think. 80 overall power forward, guys. I can't ask for much more. Now we're gonna look at see who we can realistically, or not realistically, but like in 2K realistically try and get. I don't really want to trade Levine. I like our big 3. I'm looking for a small forward. know about Jimmy Butler back in Minnesota. Middleton. I might try and get Brandon Ingram, I think. For Bruno Fernando. Culver, we're 18 mil off. I just don't have the money because these are the two making the most cash. We're all going to work a chunk of change. And I'll give you... Oh, I traded for the 2022? Oh, I know what I did. If it wasn't top 5, it was probably going to be a 2022. Look at all that, guys. I'll give you... They still are short the money, though. What did I do? Fernando, Culver. Oh, Kobe with 13 mil off. Oh, Malik Beasley. Can I do this? Oh, that's so lot to give up, dude. I'd rather give you Martin Beasley, Culver, Fernando, Ingram. That's a lot to give up. I really regret that, man. That was a lot to give up, but we have our big 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the power forward is going to be the Washington on top. And what can I get for Washington? Just a little curious. I know Ashton Hagens was up at power forward. I know sometimes. Scotty Barnes was not going to play, I don't think. And KPJ is a guy who can come in here and get some solid minutes. I think I'm going to take Chicago first. So. Johnson. I'm kind of like iffy on him too. He might get moved. Dorian Finney-Smith, he's like the same overall. Johnson's a little younger. Like, what would our rotation be if we do and run this? If we got Russell at the 1, Levine, Schmidt, 1. I kept our Kobe cool, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, we need to get about... I think I might look to move the top in, Schmidt. I'd like to keep the Dia, but I could trade him just because he's not getting a huge role, I guess. Who's our 6 man? What can I get for those 3? I'll add in of Dia. I'd like to keep on Kobe. Dival, Jair, Bridges, and Scotty Lewis, Curry, Culver, getting back. Wiseman and Troy Brown's not bad. What can I get for players who are making like 11 mil, 12 mil? Luka, Trey, Zion, John, Rare, free agent, Bam, Mitchell, Robinson, Shea? What would they want for SJ? Cam Johnson, wow, the money's gonna match, isn't it? I'll give you a Clippers pick. They'll get a pick from the Clippers, which they traded. They got SJ and picks from the Clippers. Cam Johnson. I don't know. I'll also give you Gary Trent in a second. Another second. What if I take out Gary Trent Jr.? I'll throw you Spellman. I don't really have a problem giving him up. Get him first, and I'll give you one more second. What overall is it? 86. He is a tough. He's probably going to be tough to get. He was on the pick. He was in our franchise. I'll give you your own pick back. He was in our franchise video. I don't really want to trade anybody else here, you know? And then the most I can do is give you picks. I'll give you... I know I'll give you Kingsman. I'll give you our own pick. So we have no money, as you can see, so we gotta make a decision. I mean, we traded for SGA. We got it to go through with Dia Johnson, the first, Spellman in the first. Jay is in here. I want to see what I can possibly get for Okogie and TJ Washington. I don't really want to trade Okogie, but if it's better, I will probably do it. Don't really want me. Tyler Hero, DeAndre Hunter, Sebastian Simmons, what a name, Roko now. Not bringing him back a third time. He was here once, third in Houston, and he was back. That's looking. I don't need him again. Gary Trent, I could get Aaron Holiday for Gary Trent. And I'll look at our team one more time and make sure there's no backup point guard. There's not. Yeah, we're going to do that pick. Gary Trent, the second round pick for Aaron Holiday. He could always play the 2. But I think we're going to have him at the 1. So let's review this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think we're all set. Maybe do we have like a mid-level exception or like a Darren Collison for a sign and trade? We could like pick up Damian Lee, and I don't know if he's gonna get matched. Okay, and then I just traded the 2 of them. I put Collison in the shooting guard too. And we'll flip them. We don't need them. Damian Lee's a 79 overall shooting guard. If I don't get anything amazing, Damian Lee might find himself a spot here. Khalil Whitney, we could find someone to send to the G League or load up on a couple picks. I might do this trade for Roberson in the first round. And we'll put Roberson at small forward and see that he's an 81 there. But he's just not a good player. Not so great at scoring the ball in real life. What do you have here? Oh, second small defense. He's a great defender. But oh man. His shooting percentage is just atrocious. He got it wrong. I'm sorry, Dre, and it's nothing against you, but we could just get Damian Lee back. Miles Bridges, you know what? Or Chris Boucher. I like Chris Boucher. Or 2 firsts, though. Right? Yeah, from Phoenix. We gotta do that. And then we could always attach someone with the picks. Like, we could always flip Aaron Holiday in a Cavalier. No, we're not gonna trade that Cavs pick and the Christmas pick. We could always trade, like, the Suns pick and then the Timberwolves pick. And not with Aaron Holiday. That would be crazy. I could always try and finesse Toronto. If, of course, we say, oh, no, that's not good. Leonard's in Indiana. That's funny enough. Oladipo is a Nugget. Oh, Boucher is not here. He is in New York. Would they take Evan Holiday for him? A second? Sure. We're good. We'll see you guys at the start of the season. We have our rotation set. 30 to DLO, 30 to Levine, 30 to BI. Bringing from there. Obi Toppin will get 33. He's up to 79. Carlin in town, 33. Still my mess with his coming because I don't really know though. SGA will be getting 29. Coming in last minute, 35. Probably the best player in the 35. TJ Washington, 17. Chris Boucher, 16. Baycott, 12. Kogi, 10. We have a solid rotation. We were expected to do something else here. We didn't. So protected is 6. It still could be worse or better. It's interesting. Definitely. So yeah, I'm looking at system efficiency. And we are 4 available. Agency, centric, post-centric, triangle. 7 seconds is 4. Defense is not good. We might need to trade for a good defender in the offseason, like Rudy Gobert maybe. We'll go 7 seconds though. We're a better offensive team, definitely. I mean, look at these guys' stats. Towns, banger. Russell, really good. Wall, he did really good at the end of the season, I guess, last year. Ingram, amazing. Levine, really was good. SGA, TJ Washington, Baycott. We're a good scoring team. Pretty good. I also noticed Bam, Jordan Belt, not bad. Noel, Bam's a free agent. I offer him that. He's insulted to buy it. We're going to be pretty decent, I think, next year, so we'll see you guys there. So we are 7 and 8, and it's just not looking pretty. We're trying to maybe move Levine, Karabat, a second, Bullock, a first for Langford and Brown. They're not interested. Well, they want a first. They'll give me Nafali Dante. I'm not giving up any of the 2022 firsts. I'll give you our 2026 first. A first. I'm not giving you anything else. Don't be stubborn here. I'll give you another first. Not interested, of course. You want Yogi Ferrell? Give me someone back. Rick Erickson. You're not getting enough back. Of course you're not. I'll give you the 2025 first. And you really don't want that. What can I replace the second with? If I replace the second with something else. Another first. Oh my gosh. The Clippers swap best pick. And, like, I don't know what I can do to get this to go through. Can I take out Langford? They agree to that. That's big, guys. Now, it's easy. We're just going to put in Brown's just going to eat up Levine's minutes. We said hi to a former friend in Zach Levine, and we said goodbye to him. Just going to do this. I could have Brown be a 6-man, but I think I'm going to have SGA be the 6-man. And SGA will just go down like this. There, so he's our 6-man again. Now, let's see. Do we win, like, some of these games here? Nope. Like, I don't know why we're not beating these teams, really. I mean, I'll try. I don't know. I'll see you guys at the end of the season. Let's hope we can win. We finished up season number 2 with a 58-24 record. It's pretty good. I'd say Luka, Bol, Cousins, Davis, Jarrett Culver, most improved. It always happens after I trade the guy. Lloyd Pierce has a better record. But it always happens after I trade the player. They win most improved. So we're number 1 in our conference. So I think we had the best record in the league because the Hawks had a worse record than us. They're the 1 seed in their conference. We're looking good. Let's check out these stats. Wow, Armando Bacot is really good. Oh, it's playoff stats. Duh. Alright. Russell, what a season for D'Angelo Russell. Brandon Ingram, Towns. Shea off the bench was really good. The Brown trade seemed to pay off. Levine might have scored more, but I think that trade helped. Toppin, PJ Washington, Boucher, Okogie. Bacot was pretty solid. Only like 2 points a game. He's at 81. Alright, Clippers are an 8 seed. Grant, George, Otto Porter, they lost Kawhi, it seems. Morris, unless he's off the bench after Zubac, Larry Nance, Powell, Harrell, Shaman. I think Larry Nance would low-key be a good fit in the Clippers jersey in LA. Either LA team now. They probably regret trading him. Well, they got LeBron. They got it off Larry Nance and Clarkson's money. For Isaiah Thomas, they didn't keep him in. Channing Frye, I think, was the trade. We went in 4 or 5. We lost game 1 though. Yeah, and then they ended up signing LeBron. Like, LeBron basically traded for 2 guys who weren't going to come back, and Channing Frye, and who went back to Cleveland, I think, and Isaiah Thomas for Clarkson and Larry Nance. And then he just signed there, so he cleared up the money himself to go to the Lakers. What a smart guy. Markelle Fultz would be a nice fit there. Luka, Khalil Whitney, Maxi Kleber, Porzingis, Randall. I feel like they should trade for John Wall, Curry, Brunson. I don't know why. I feel like that if he's healthy, worth his money, they should get him. We're not going to win, I don't think. Luka's just so unstoppable in the sim, and I just don't want to run into Dallas in the playoffs. We win in 7! I never win in 7. Phoenix, they're 7 seed. Rose, Booker, Rocco, Adebayo, 8 in the running, 2 center cheese. Anunoby, Bridges, Jakob, Hurtle, Killian Hayes. I don't know about a 2nd seed. I think the Maverick team was a bit better. It'd be cool if we could win. And we do. We're going to the finals against, not Philly, come on. Simmons, Thibault, Harris, Griffin, Embiid, Shake Milton, McDermott. Our bench should just destroy theirs. Come on. Wow, we're up 3-0. Yo, I'd be cool if I could get some gameplay for you guys here. We're doing really well. See you guys in the game. We're in the game here. Let's get these starters in. Alright. Is that Mason Plumlee? Yeah, Embiid. Oh, who's that? Dario Saric? No. Dougie McBuckets. Oh, what? I'm not even playing defense. PJ, cover him. Shea, stay with Green. Alright, let's go. Give it Boucher, give and go to Shea. Towns, PJ Washington, bit of a bigger lineup there. I want to take a shot with Toppin so bad here. Toppin, get a screen. Oh, give it to KAT. Give it to Towns. Right here. Nice feed outside. Opie for 3. Yes! Ah, for real. Shake Milton, Chris Boucher. Towns, give it. PJ Washington, midi. Dang it, man. Oh, Embiid and Towns are going at it. They're in there together. McDermott, Simmons is going to get that board, right? Oh, good rebound, Towns. Kick it up to Toppin or PJ. PJ will take. Give it up, Toppin for 3. Another one? No. Let's score, and let's boost some of these guys' averages up in the playoffs. That's going to probably drop. Milton, no. Good rebound by Boucher. I like the signing or trading for him, I believe. I forget which one it was. Towns, go right on Embiid. Go right at him. Oh, we're going to get our starters in, though. Play with D'Angelo Russell. He and Karl Towns in the thumbnail together. Play with the 2 guys we were started with. They're bringing us a chip, baby. These 2 went at it in the playoffs in 2019 in high school. Of course, we don't know when basketball is going to come back, so we don't know when they'll go at it again as well as the playoffs. But they were in the playoffs there. Tobias Harris Banks at home for 3. Oh, they're coming back. Yeah, but, of course, it's when I play. D'Angelo Russell, though, played really well in the 2019 playoffs as well as with Simmons out his team in high school, Ingram. Oh, he's in front of Harris, yes. Shoot it, the lights out, send them home happy. I never see them keep Horford or Richardson. No, I see them keep Horford, not Richardson. It's weird. Thibault always starts, though. In the Sixers rebuild I did, I almost traded him, and he was like an 87 from like the G League. Yeah, boy. There you go. Come on, just pull it. Green. You see my Play with Friends games, I'm not that good, so I'm not very good at 2K, but it's fun. Better My Leaguer rebuilder than regular play, I would have to say. Thibault. Clank. Oh, I want to dunk with Brown. I want to dunk it all the way with Brown. Take it all the way. Oh. Get it, KAT. Give it right back to him. Give it back to Brown. Oh, Brown had it. Should I just pull it with Russell from, like, really deep? I might. Oh, Towns, get it. Yeah, we got the ball. I'm going to just hold it for the final shot here. That Clipper team we built really fell apart, didn't they? Take it. Set a screen. Ingram at the buzzer. Nah, we win 124, 108, though. And the crowd boos. Look at that red light on the announcer's table there, the commentary table. We win it all. I'll show you guys the cinematics. I usually like to do that. Finals champs. Wonder who the finals MVP will be. My guess is going to be D'Angelo Russell. That's my guess. He had a stellar season. Or Towns. DLO or Towns. That's my guess. D'Angelo or Towns. Look at the hug there. Like, those 2 are just exchanging hugs. They're chilling for the North Seed. That's my gameplay. It shows my gameplay. And sometimes when you hop into games, it says first lead tonight. It's really, really weird. DLO, finals MVP, yeah. It'll say first lead tonight, but I was leading in the sim, so I think it's the first lead when you play, if anyone was wondering. But we see these cinematics a lot. They're just fun to look at. Brown, his hair's like that, but not in the game it wasn't. There's Obi Toppin, second season, starting power forward for a championship team. Mike Stauffer. We'll see you guys at the MVP. As you guys can see, we're finals champs. DLO, your finals MVP. Alrighty, so we are going to go into this offseason and draft lottery in the final year. We have the second pick via the Pistons. 16th pick from Sacramento. I'm so happy we kept it. The Cleveland pick is at 24. 29 from Phoenix. And 30 from us. Let's go. Five first-round picks. You guys, the staff is more than happy to stay. Or more than welcome to stay. Now, I want to see what I could get for, like, pick 2, 16, and 24. This pick doesn't have much value. Could get the first overall pick. I think Amoni Bates is in this draft. Right? Zaire, wait, isn't Amoni Bates in this one? Wendell Moore is here. Where is Amoni Bates? Unless he's another year. I might make a trade. I don't really know. I'm going to sim to our pick, and we'll see who goes first overall here. Jonathan Kuminga goes first. I want to see what pick 2, 16, and, like, I don't really want to trade any of these for. I'll just see what, like, those 2 picks and Jaylen Brown would get me. Nothing. What would those 2 picks get me? Because I can't really take much salary back. But I could draft and trade. I might draft a player and trade them. So I think we might choose Zaire Wade. We will take Wendell Moore. He could be a solid rotational player for us. Unless we make another big blockbuster, like around like Chris Boucher or PJ Washington. Lulu, give me him. He might play. That guy's name is insane for his name is cool. Tyson Hall, sure. Probably no seconds. Yeah, all right. Let's see. Rookie signing. We'll sign everyone. They're all first-round picks. Top and PJ can come back. Now, Baycott, Okogie, and Shea all are getting the qualifying. No question about that. All right, Okogie, Baycott, and the other one was SGA, I believe. I just said that. So we're going to give Okogie a deal, and we might look to move him. Tyler Kavanaugh looks to be doing pretty good. Chris Boucher definitely can get a deal. Baycott and SGA. We're going to wait for SGA to take a deal. We'll bring those 2 back. We're going to renounce everyone down here. The trade exception for Roberson. How did he do this year? 2.7 points. He was in Phoenix. Did we play him? I didn't even notice. Oh, Toronto. Must have traded him to Phoenix. All right, SJ and Baycott will wait. We're not going to match Goss. We're just going to wait for him to take a deal. Match Okogie. We need to wait for you to get a deal, Shea. Where is he getting? Where? Does he not have a deal? Oh, we can afford him. All right, we'll give him a deal. We'll max him out. And he's restricted, I believe, so he's taking our deal. He doesn't even have another offer. All right, we'll get these 3 back. Baycott, I would like to bring back. Let me just go back in here for a minute. I don't know, Baycott. He has to be somewhere. Can we, like, afford, like, a LaMarcus? No, we can't. We cannot afford Baycott, who's asking for a lot of money. He doesn't even want to negotiate anymore. Well, thank you for what you did here, but, you know, I think we're good without you. We could look to move Zaire Wade, who could be better at the 3. Unless you could just replace Baycott, though. We could have father, his son, we could step in the footsteps of his father. Terrence Mann in at first for Tyson Hall and Lulu. Might look to move Lulu if there's something out there that's like, pretty decent. I need to look at players who are not making, like, a lot of money. Probably making, like, I don't know, who are probably making, like, 5.50. No, these guys are all free agents, I believe. Yeah, we definitely don't have their money. Is Clark available? Brandon Clark? for like Tyson Hall and Lulu. And I will also throw you Marvin Floyd. That's alright. We got a second. We'll give you a first, too. We'll give you another first. And I agree to that. Brandon Clark is on the team. He'll be replacing KAT, I guess. Now, Okogie and Moore, maybe I'm going to look at a trade for. I mean, I don't really want to trade Okogie if I'm being totally honest. There's nothing. What could Wendell Moore get me? Trenton Watford. All right, what could we do if we put Boucher at the 4 and trade him? He's an 84 overall. I mean, that's tough to say to trade. I mean, maybe Boucher and Moore. It's tough to say goodbye to if we move him. Is that Aaron Gordon? That is Aaron Gordon, but I mean, I think Boucher has a little better. We could bring Culver back. Definitely should be a most improved candidate. I mean, like for scoring at least like 6 more points. Rui Hachimura. Could look for someone making 13 though. Yeah, you know what? Let's do that. $13 million. These guys are the same people. They're all same players, all free agents. Except Ja, but like, you know, it's never gonna happen. I could try Morant, but dude, it's like it's just not gonna even happen. I give you. You want Towns, you'll give me Jaren. That's not a terrible deal, but I'm not going to do it. PJ, you can have him. No, you're not going to have PJ Washington. You can get Zaire if you give me back someone. Tyson Hall. And you can give me Edward Whittington. We have, like, no picks. You could give me, I'll give you Clark back if you give me someone. Floyd. And then Lulu. No, they're not going to do it. Ja Morant will not happen. I could look to move Brown in the deal, but how much? Oh, Ingram, they're off a lot of money, kind of. Brown, they're off $9 million. You could give me Justice Winslow. And I will also give you a Zaire Wade. And you can give me back someone making a little bit of money. Edward Whittington. You give me Satoransky. And I'd give you back as well Clark. You can have him back. And I will also flip you Okogie. You can't afford him. Who else could I trade you? I'm not going to trade Topper. Yeah, it's not going to go through. I don't know why I was trying to have fun with it. There's Fulta free agent. Yes. Bull, Roberson, Hall, Thibault, Rashawn Holmes. Could just look at players. I mean, see who's available. LeBron is a 95. Oh, his trade value still through the sky though. I would give you like Jaylen Brown and Brandon Clark. Untouchable. Yeah, I've seen people trade for him. Shout out to Sixer and Steele and Massa. Tatum. Just want to make a little bit of it, like a little trade. Like not even something huge. Just something we can get another like player that can be solid for us. I don't think we're gonna get any of these dudes though. I have traded for Zion before. Do I try to do this? $8 million. Give me back Drew Holiday. I will flip you Brandon Clark, Zaire Wade, Wendell Moore. If you could give me back, how much money are you off by? $11 million. Do you have a bad contract you're willing to trade? Or would you trade Beasley? Oh, he's untouchable. No. Beasley, take out Holiday. You could keep him. And I'd give you, like, it's untouchable, but I could try. And I'd give you Okogie, too. Just to try and spice it up a little. Yeah, they're not accepting it. Siakam? I would do a deal, like, centered around, like, Washington more than Brown. Like, maybe Clark and PJ Washington. And we're still $20 million off, dude. And Boucher. And we're still $6 million off. And I'd have to give you Zaire. Yeah, we're not. They would definitely accept that. What can we get for, like, Zaire Wade and Washington? Kobe White and Daniel Gafford. Jackson Hayes, and oh, that was Eric Pascal, Mark Marshall. That was BJ Boston. I thought it was global, and I would have accepted it in a second, though. So KAT accepted the qualifying. So I'm looking to see what I can get for a PJ Washington, KAT, and Wade package. LaMelo Ball and Kobe White. LaMelo is enticing, definitely. A second in Zaire. You like what you have. You know what I could do? I always could keep Zaire. And look to move PJ Washington for a better, like maybe Washington and KAT for just a good better power forward or center. Come off the bench. Sebastian Simmons, the GOAT there. I don't know. I would be willing to attach Wendell more, if need. DeAndre Jordan still in Brooklyn, but like no. Yeah, I'm not really getting anything solid besides these guys. These ones these 7 guys I don't really want to trade in top, and I want to keep Washington and Okogie. And I don't really want to trade Okogie. He was good for us. Kevin Porter I could try and get for like a Wendell Moore package. Alright, Wendell Moore. Come on. And you can keep Willie Hernangomez. We're 1 mil off. Like, really? You can have Yogi Ferrell. You want a second? You'll give me a second? Sure. Now, how many players do we even have? Yeah, Wade, Okogie, Kevin Porter not even playing. I want to keep Okogie. I like him a lot. Porter and Wade. LaMelo Ball, that probably. You know what? We'll do the LaMelo deal. Ooh, DeJounte Murray. Yeah, I think we're going to do that trade. Giving up a lot. I want to try to work around PJ Washington, though. I would not mind working around it for KAT. I'm not trading Okogie. Is there any way they can keep Matthew Hurt and they can do this? $4 million short. You know what? I might just include PJ. We're doing it. San Antonio Spurs, you have yourself a deal. Matthew Hurt is back in the deal as well for Zaire Wade, Kevin Porter Jr., and there was the final deal, in case you were wondering. Porter, Wade, Washington for Murray and Hurt. They won the trade, I'm sure, but, it's fine. We're just going to trade Matthew Hurt and then KAT maybe. He kind of snaked us. He didn't want to come back when... I know you want to make money, but, dude, we were contenders to win a title again, and Isaac Okoro could be our guy. I'm seriously high on that man. I thought it was Jalen Green's Josh Green. I could pick him up. Chet Holmgren, I should say. I'd be interested in the Green for Hurt swap. Do they want KAT? I'll give you a second. Oh, wow, they agree. All right. Josh Green, welcome. So, how many players do we have? I want to have Okogie. He's a backup 3, and we don't really have one. And I want a backup small forward. Do we run like a full man rotation? We might look to move KAT, and then we'll be done. For something else, like a pick. Because I don't want to get a player back unless I get something really, really good. We're going to do this trade with Washington, I believe, to acquire Torrey Craig in a first. And then we're just going to trade... Maybe we can move, like, Boucher in the pick. Top 10 Wizards pick. It's not a bad pick by any means necessary. Cameron Reddish? He's not even playing. I guess. Hey, at least we might be going back-to-back, So, Jackson Hayes and Terry Rozier is not really a bad deal at all. We could just get PJ Washington back. But you know what? Rui Hachimura. You know what? I like Boucher. I think we're going to do that. I'm not going to do the Hayes-Rozier trade. We're going to run it here. I do want to bring Murray off the bench, along with SGA. I want to see what happens if we have like a 12-man rotation, but not giving too many minutes to the guys off the bench. We'll do 11. 11-man rotation now. Okogie can get like 7. We'll do like 10 minutes here. Toppin, I like to give Boucher about 14 maybe. Give OB about 16. Shea can get 26. Oh, wait, no. Swap Murray for Russell. Murray can get about 22 we'll do. SJ, 26. Toppin can get 19. They want Clark to start. You know what I do? I might just start Toppin, give him 20, and give Clark more minutes off the bench. Towns can get 31. Toppin can get 22. Ingram, 28. Brown, 28. Russell, and we'll give 30 to Towns, 28 to D'Angelo. We should be number 1, right? With 3. Wall, Springer, Avdija, Giannis, and Bolton. Yeah, that other team is a little better. I would say the Lakers. Davis, LeBron, Richardson, Shabazz Napier, Chris, Green, Otto Porter Jr., Lonnie Walker. It's one of the better Laker teams I've seen after year 1. Jalen Johnson, Spurs, Curry, Wiggins, Pascal. They still have Draymond. They have Taco starting. And Anthony Edwards. Holy cow. 2K Sports just showed. Wow. Look at 2K Sports. Why are the Nets down low? Why is this so messed up? That's what I meant to say. Wendell Clark. Some of these teams should not be this low. Eric has at 3. Let's try and go back to back, and I'll see you guys at the end of the 3rd and final year. Okay, guys, so we finished up the 3rd and final year with our best record yet, 16-22. 2 less losses than last year, 2 more wins. Luka MVP again. Terrence, almost a triple-double. Terrence Clark, 0.2 away. Terrence Clark, Rookie of the Year. RJ Hampton, Giannis, Evan Mobley, Michael Stoffer. Wait a minute. 2020 was the first. 2021 was the. Oh, wait, I think this is year 2, right? Or was this year 2? I don't know what I'm saying, guys. So if this is only a 2-year challenge, I do apologize. A 2-year rebuild, I do apologize for that. I think this was 3 years, though. So 2019 and 20, I'm not counting. So 2020 to 2021, 2020, 1 to 2022, and 2022 to 2023. Okay. Yeah, 3rd year. All right. With the 1 seed, Sacramento was ranked bad, and they made the playoffs, so let's just hope we can sweep them. Gentleman sweeper. I hope we sweep the world. I mean, we should. They took a game. 3-1. Can never sweep, dude. I can never. No way. No way. Okay, we win. Let's beat the team we played in the ECF or WCF last year. Rose, Booker, Anunoby, Spellman, Aiden, Hayes, our old friend Spellman. So we're going to go round. All right, let's see. We're up 1-0. We're up 2-0. That's big. 2-1. 3-1. We win 4. I mean, 5. 3-2. Are we really going to lose and go to 7 with the Suns? Looks like it. Yep. I want to go back to back. Oh, come on, guys. Yeah, we're going to lose. Phoenix took us to school. That's going to do it. Yeah, we lose. Hey, we got a championship in the video, though, so I guess it's alright. Best of luck to Dallas. Get Phoenix out of there. They don't deserve it. Come on, Dallas. No. Well, I hope Phoenix wins so we can lose to the champions. Booker's your MVP. That's going to wrap it up. We blew it. We were in the lead. It's fine. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys haven't already, hit the subscribe button on the channel. Please make sure to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.